Ha. Ha is the present tense of the verb to be in Scottish Gaelic. Unlike many other languages, the verb in Gaelic doesn't change depending on who you're talking about. Ha iet ski, they are tired. Ha shiv ski, you are tired. Ha shin ski, we are tired. Ha I ski, she is tired. Ha e ski, he is tired. Ha u ski, you are tired. Ha mi ski, I am tired. The verb does change depending on what kind of sentence it is making. Positive statement. Ha. Ha bria, it is beautiful. Hey the dol gan vu, they're going to the shop. Ha and cat chin, the cat is sick. As this last example shows, positive statement doesn't always mean something happy, just that something is. Negative statement. Chaniel. Chaniel car acum. I don't have a car. Chaniel and coo down. The dog isn't brown. Chaniel mo cheann gorst. My head doesn't hurt. Again, negative statement doesn't mean something unpleasant, just that something is not. Positive question. A bheil. A bheili ag an tae? Is she at home? A bheil an tuisce ann? Is it raining? Bheilu crachte? Are you crazy? In the same way that positive statements mean that something is, positive questions are asking if something is. Negative question. Nachel. Nachel pishach akev. Don't you have a kitten? Nachelu dol gan vanka. Aren't you going to the bank? Nachel shin ma. Isn't that good? Ha can also show up in the second part of a sentence. Chula mi guvele ma. I heard that it is good. Chuiste nachelieta chien. He said that they aren't coming. Once you have made a ha sentence, you can change what type of sentence it is without changing the rest of the sentence. Ha iakoper. She is working. Chaniel iakoper. She isn't working. Veli iakoper. Is she working? Nachel iakoper. Isn't she working? Tap a lever on the kite an video show. Thanks for watching this video. Check out the Daily Gaelic YouTube channel for more videos on learning Gaelic, and the Daily Gaelic website and Facebook page for more learning opportunities. Tap a lever.